Creating an ad on YouTube involves setting up a Google Ads campaign to promote your video to a specific target audience. Here's a simplified guide. Google Ads account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Google Ads account using your Google account. Campaign creation. Click Campaigns in the Google Ads dashboard and select New Campaign. Choose a goal. Choose the campaign goal that aligns with your advertising objective. For YouTube, you may select brand awareness and reach, product and brand consideration, or leads and website traffic. Select campaign type. Choose video as the campaign type. Set campaign details. Name your campaign. Set the budget and choose bidding strategy. Select the start and end dates for your campaign. Choose your campaign settings, including language and location targeting. Create ad group. Name your ad group and choose the video you want to promote from your YouTube channel. Target audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, keywords, and other criteria. Set ad format. Select the ad format. Ad content. Create an engaging video ad that adheres to YouTube's ad policies. Upload it to your Google Ads account. Final review. Review your campaign settings and ad content to ensure everything is accurate. Launch campaign. Click Launch campaign to set your YouTube ad live. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor your ads performance using Google Ads Analytics. Make adjustments to improve results as needed.